Existence and non-existence. This is a very profound topic and it has a deep meaning and will be somehow, I think, difficult for most of the people to understand, yet we are going to discuss it. Existence simply means that which exists, that which is present or available, and we can see it, we can feel it, it is there in front of us. So all that is which is existable, being existed and being used, all that is seen here, this universe, everything, the planets, the mountains, the earth, the people, this is existence. Things are existing, but quite the contrary to it, that is non-existence. It is like, you are alive, you are listening to me, but see, when you go to sleep at night and when you are slept, even if somebody speaks to you, do you really listen? Where are you? And during sleep, you become like you are no more. Do you really feel your existence even if you are sleeping? So that feeling or that position where there is, or that period of the time during which you felt yourself like no more, that can be a beautiful example for non-existence. You are here listening to me, but during sleep you are no more. That is the experience of non-existence. Everybody feels, everybody has this experience. That is non-existence. Some other ways to make you understand, like we burn fire. Okay, when fire is burnt through woods, we use some wood or some material to burn fire. But when there is no wood, before the fire is lit, where was it? Where did it come from? That was non-existence. Another one, this earth is hanging or rotating in this sky. If we go on going and going, but we find no end to this sky, this is non-existence. Quite the contrary to all the things being seen to us. So existence and non-existence simply are all that is being seen and existed is just existence, and all that is not being seen, and where these things which are being seen will go back, and where all these things which are being seen came from is non-existence. I hope you have somehow understood it. Thank you.